Hello and welcome to our daily morning prayer. May this morning prayer illuminate your path, nourish your spirit, and empower you to face whatever lies ahead with grace and resilience. In times of illness and suffering, turning to the power of prayer can bring comfort, hope, and healing. If you or someone you know is in need of quick healing and a speedy recovery, I invite you to join me in praying the powerful prayer to Saint Raphael, the patron saint of healing. Please take a moment to center yourself and offer this prayer from the depths of your heart. Repeat it 3 times, allowing the words to resonate within you, and trusting in the intercession of Saint Raphael for swift healing and restoration. O Divine Healer, Saint Raphael, glorious Archangel and faithful companion, I come before you with a humble and contrite heart, seeking your powerful intercession. You are known as the Physician of God, the healer of the infirm, and the guide of those in need. I implore your assistance and invoke your heavenly aid in my time of illness and suffering. Saint Raphael, compassionate and merciful, I humbly ask you to bring your healing touch upon my body, mind, and spirit. State your intention. Please intercede for me before the throne of God, that His divine grace may flow into every cell of my being, restoring me to health and wholeness. Banish all pain, sickness, and affliction from my body, and grant me the strength and endurance to endure this trial. O Holy Archangel, accompany me on this journey of healing, guiding the hands of the physicians and nurses who care for me. Inspire them with wisdom and skill, that they may administer the right treatments and medications. Fill their hearts with compassion and empathy, so that they may provide comfort and support during my recovery. Saint Raphael, patron of travelers and spiritual guide, I ask for your guidance in seeking the best possible medical care and treatment options. Help me to make wise decisions and discerning choices, that I may receive the care I need to regain my health. Most loving Saint Raphael, I also pray for emotional and spiritual healing. Heal any wounds or hurts that may be affecting me on a deeper level. Grant me peace of mind, clarity of thought, and serenity of soul. Strengthen my faith, that I may trust in God's loving plan for my life, even in the midst of this trial. I offer this prayer with complete trust and confidence in your powerful intercession. Dear Saint Raphael, may your healing presence surround me, and may your prayers ascend to heaven on my behalf. Amen. Remember, prayer has the potential to bring solace, strength, miracles. Trust in the healing power of Saint Raphael, and have faith in God's loving guidance. May you or your loved one experience a quick healing and a speedy recovery. Please feel free to share this prayer with others who may be in need. May God bless you all with health and well-being.